Oat spoon fertilizer. Make 2 liters of organic plant feed for 12 cents. This video explains a simple, low-cost liquid fertilizer made from a single tablespoon of oats. Blend 1 tablespoon of oats into a fine powder, then add the powder to 5 liters of water and let it steep for 30 minutes to release nutrients. Strain the mixture and combine the strained extract with 1.5 liters of water to yield approximately 2 liters of diluted organic fertilizer. The resulting solution is reported to be rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. It is described as having a mild, neutral pH, improving soil structure by feeding beneficial microorganisms, and being suitable for a wide range of plants, including tomatoes, onions, garlic, peppers, cucumbers, fruits, flowers, and ornamental plants. Recommended application is once every 30 days, applied before or after pruning/training.